Hello, my name is Eduard and I'm Tableau Desktop Specialist at btProvider, and today we're going to learn how to use a continuous and discrete color in one map. For this, we're going to have to create a map based on sales, drag sales to color, remove country, and let's create a parameter named choose a state. Data type we're gonna be string. Click on list. We're gonna add a none value, and we'll add all the states from this field. Okay, now we're gonna create a calculated field, name state to highlight, and we're gonna write state equal choose a state. Apply. Okay, state edit state. Okay, now we're gonna create another latitude on the rows, and we're gonna go on the second one and drag state to highlight on the colors. Let's show parameter control. Now the value is false because we didn't choose any state. Let's choose Colorado, and we're gonna change it from automatic to map. Now our state is highlight, so we're gonna hide the false value and we're gonna make it dual axis. Let's drag sales to text to label, and opacity to 100%. Now when you're gonna change the parameter from another state, you're gonna see how it's highlighted, and we're gonna see the value of the sales. If you don't want to see any state highlighted, you're gonna click on none. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please subscribe and have a nice weekend.